The Digital Personal Data Protection Act 2023 represents a significant development in India's approach to data privacy and governance. Its implications for the Indian healthcare industry, which is in the nascent stages of digital transformation, are profound. Welcome to VAR India News Hour. The key components of DPDP Act, that is Protect of Personal Data, includes number 1, consent-based data processing. The DPDP Act mandates that personal data can only be processed with the explicit consent of the individual, that is data principal. This ensures that patients' health data cannot be used without their permission. Number 2, right of data principles. Individuals have rights over the data, including the right to access, correct, and erase their personal data. This empowers patients to have greater control over their health information. Secondly, the data governance and accountability includes data fiduciary responsibilities. Healthcare providers, that is, data fiduciaries, must ensure compliance with data protection principles. They are responsible for safeguarding the data and maintaining transparency in its processing. Data Protection Officer. Organizations processing large amounts of personal data, including healthcare institutions, must appoint a data protection officer to oversee data protection activities and ensure compliance with the Act. Data security measures includes security safeguards. The Act requires healthcare organizations to implement robust security measures to protect personal data from breaches, unauthorized access, and other cyber threats. This includes encryption, access controls, and regular security audits. Breach notification. In the event of a data breach, organizations must notify the relevant authorities and affected individuals promptly, ensuring that patients are aware of any potential risks to their data. The DPDP Act 2023 marks a pivotal step in regulating personal data processing in India with far-reaching implications for the healthcare industry. By enforcing stringent data protection measures, the Act aims to safeguard patient privacy, enhance trust in digital healthcare solutions, and promote responsible data governance. While it presents operational and compliance challenges, it also offers opportunities for technological advancements and improved healthcare delivery. As the Indian healthcare sector continues its digital evolution, adherence to the DPDP Act will be crucial in ensuring that patient data is protected and used ethically and effectively. Let's look into today's headlines. Major security notice for Google Chrome users issued by the center. A high severity warning on security flaws in Google Chrome, which affect versions 125.0.6422.76 or zero point 0.77 for Windows and Mac, and 125.0.6422.76 for Linux, was released by the Indian Computer Emergency Response Team, that is CERT-IN. Users should upgrade their Chrome browser to reduce risks, as the vulnerabilities could allow attackers to execute arbitrary code. Buy now, pay later is now offered by Google Pay. In an effort to improve the simplicity and safety of online buying, Google has added 3 new capabilities to its payment app, Google Pay. These consist of safe card number autofill, buy now, pay later alternatives, and the display of card advantages. Google focused on meeting the needs of customers, namely security, ease of use, and availability of tools for frugal spending. US customers can get it immediately. Zee requests $90 million termination payments from Sony following the end of merger talks. Sony and its Indian affiliates have been asked to pay Zee Entertainment Enterprises $90 million, that is about Rs 750 crore, as termination fees. Zee issued a statement to the stock exchanges stating that it had terminated the agreement by issuing a letter dated May 23rd due to Culver Max and BEPL's violations under the Merger Cooperation Agreement, that is MCA, and that it was pursuing a termination fee from them. There is a lawsuit pending over the issue. GoTo launches new AI-powered scam detection for GoTo Resolve. GoTo has announced the release of GoTo Resolve's AI-powered scam detection technology. All GoTo Resolve tiers include this function, which adds an extra degree of security by monitoring live support sessions on mobile devices to identify and notify customers of any potentially fraudulent activity before private information is exchanged. Using custom-trained AI, GoTo resolves scam detection activity monitors for key behaviors and phrases associated with the cyber attacks. Google and Foxconn collaborate to produce Pixel smartphones in Tamil Nadu. Google and Foxconn, the maker of iPhones, are in advanced negotiations about Google producing Pixel smartphones in Tamil Nadu in an attempt to leverage on the growing demand for high-end handsets among consumers in the second largest smartphone market in the world. The tech giant is making this move as it tries to expand its Pixel smartphone business in India. That's all for now. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to VAR India magazine. You can download the VAR India app from Google Play Store and Apple App Store for more news and updates. Stay tuned. Thank you.